This is a demo for final year project on text extraction and analysis using machine learning for a portal. So here basically we have created a portal using the Django web framework. To access this portal, we have set up this domain. So we can access this portal using the domain name kjc-tpo.herokuapp.com. Once we Once the page loads, we are first redirected to the login page wherein we have three options, one for the sign in, one for the sign up, and one for password reset if in case a user forgets his password. The TPO manager, like the placement officer, and the students as well, have to log in from the same login page, wherein they will be redirected to the respective pages. So first, I will have to sign up for this portal. So here I first entered a valid email ID. Yeah. Now I have to enter a password wherein there is a condition for 8 to 15 characters, one uppercase, one lowercase, one numeric digit, and one special character. So unless I don't type both the passwords correctly, the sign up button won't show up here. It will be dimmed. Once I enter both the passwords correctly and satisfy all the conditions, the button will show up. So I just have to basically sign up for it. As soon as I sign up for the first time, I will be redirected to a profile creation page. So basically first you can see the profile creation page in the background here. But first I will have to enter my resume file here. So I just upload my resume file here and I proceed. You can see your resume file is being uploaded, and once it gets uploaded, the magic happens where the text extraction process begins, and you can see here my roll number, my so my email ID is already there, my course, my branch, my mobile number, my alternate email ID, and my skills have been all processed right from my resume and put it in here. So now just I have to enter my name. I enter my name here. I have to enter my address here. For right now, I can enter any dummy address 501 Model Building Nityanji. Yes, now I have to enter my date of birth. My branch has already been extracted. My course, my division. Uh, if I wish to put my alternate mobile, I put it here. This is my 10th standard board name. For right now, I can just enter some dummy board name. Hmm, I can enter some dummy mark. Now I can fill up as many details I want. If there is an MTech student, he must be having all his 8 semester marks. Whereas if I'm not a MTech student and a BTech student, I may have just 6 or 4 or 2 SEM marks, depending on whether I'm a diploma or a normal student having a PT or not. So all these fields are not marked as compulsory. Only this field is compulsory. So I will just sign no details here. So right now you can see all my skills have been extracted here. There's an option to keep some of those skills and discard some of those skills. And if I wish to keep all these skills, I can keep it. So you can see C, C++, MATLAB, AutoCAD have all been extracted. Now I just have to click on the submit. Whereas one more thing, we can see here our uploaded resume as it is uploaded on the to the server. So this is my resume which is on the server. So now I can just click on the submit button. Now the Website says I have been registered successfully and now I can access the portal. I just click on OK and I will be redirected to my dashboard. See, now this is the entire dashboard. Here I have an option to even update my profile in the future. So this is where I can even update my profile. For example, I have to enter my some CGP or SEM marks or like backlog. I can even update my skills and marks and everything. I just go back to my home page. So now this is my dashboard. Here I can clearly see there's a list of all the companies which are going to visit on the campus. The date of placement, is the location of placement, is the CGPA criteria for that company. If I satisfy this criteria, I can surely apply for the company. This is the package the company is going to offer and the name of company. It can be sorted here based upon the package, criteria, location, date of placement. If I click this, this is the ascending order of dates. This is the descending order of the way. I can even search, so suppose I have to search for some company, Think Analytics, to just enter in the search bar and Think Analytics appear to search for some another company. If there are multiple companies, only the next companies will be shown here in the next page. This is all my personal details in the form of a card here. My name, my resume, my roll number and my branch. The important details. I can once again see my resume from here in case I need urgently, or even I have an option to download the resume from right from here itself. Next is the list of companies here. So this is the part where we have again done some analysis for our portal. So we have performed this analysis in the background and using the Django WebFront we have made it possible for on the web. So there are a number of companies here. I have to simply search for any company, or I can just directly scroll and click on any of the companies to check my JD analysis. So what this thing will do is basically compare my resume, compare all of my skills with all of the company's required skills, and then give me a detailed analysis of what skills I lack in and what skills I have which match my company, and so on. So let's go and check this. So now here I click on Think Analytics. So this will take me to the resume analysis page. Here see I can see the company's name is Think Analytics and my name is this. These are my skills. These are a general skills. Any of this may not be there, may be there. These are all general skills. These are the requirements of the companies, which are these things are purely extracted from my resume as well as my JD. And these are the things which can be learned by me. See this saying that my resume doesn't contain a Django. This resume asks even for a Flask development for JSON. So I just can see this is the company's job description. Even I have a link for it. The company's job description appears here. This is the job description of company. I can see very well here. And this is my own resume, which can be seen on this page too. So this is all what the portal is. All the magic is being done in the background using the Python coding language. This is my home page. So basically here we have done two important things. One is text extraction, which is done when we first time sign up as a user and resume gets extracted and all my fields are populated. And the second part is analysis, wherein every JD is being analyzed. So this was the aim of our project, text extraction and analysis using machine learning for a web portal. This is a universal portal. I can access it globally, sitting anywhere in any corner of the world. I just need an internet connection. And you have to just log into this website, kjc@cpo.heroku.com. Thank you so much once again. I hope this demo was surely up to your expectations. And here I log out. So next time now, if whenever I sign in, I just have to enter my email ID and my password, and yeah, all is that, and I get signed in. Thank you so much.